Hey YouTube, let me show you how you can get unlimited free game currencies in this game. Right now, I have almost nothing, but that is going to change dramatically by the end of this video. First, open your browser. Go to this link. This is the website we're going to use. Type your username for the game here. You can also type your Gmail or iCloud mail address instead. Then choose your platform you're playing the game on. I'm on Android, so I'm choosing Android. Tap Connect. Alright, my account is connected. Now, let's choose the amount and tap Generate. It's asking me to verify that I am a human. It's there so that people can't abuse it. That's fine, because it's really easy to verify. Let me show you how to do it. To verify, we need to complete 2 app offers from here. Your available offers may be different from mine. Anyways, let's choose Lord's Mobile first. Its description says that we have to download and run it for 30 seconds to complete the offer. Okay, let's download it and play it for a minute. Let's head on to the next offer. It says we need to install the Hotspot Shield app and click Connect after opening it. Easy enough. Let's download the app. Open it. And tap on Connect. The verification process should be complete. Let's check if it worked. Cool, it's working. Okay folks, if you liked what you saw, leave me a like and consider subscribing for more amazing content like this. If you have any other game requests, just comment below. Enjoy!